Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide a page in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter one of your websites. And to hide a page in this website, simply go to Pages. Then next to the page you want to hide, click on these three dots and select Hide from Navigation. As you can see, now the parenting tips is not available in my site menu. Don't forget to hit the publish button to save your changes. Click on publish again and let's view my website live. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, the parenting tips page is not accessible. But remember, this hidden page is still accessible if someone have its address. And this is how to hide a page in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.